Morning guys, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just a quick video for you on the Gloriosa lily that I've been growing. Hopefully a few of you have seen the starter video. So planted the root tuber in May after it basically just sitting there for 2 months and doing nothing. It started to grow, and then yeah, 2 days ago suddenly got a nice surprise. So let me show you. Here we are, look at that beauty. So this is the first day, well actually it's been 3 days since it came out, but actually this is the first day where it's got colour on it. So even up till last night it was still looking predominantly greeny yellow, but yeah, to actually have it flower this year is a total surprise. Let me get up and show you the back, and the colour's just amazing. So I really do need to get around to supporting it, because you can see now that actually all the leaves are starting to produce these tendrils on the end, so it wants to climb. But just look at that, beautiful. So yeah, that's the update for you. That is the final update. Ooh, got to be careful with that. Anyway, just what you'd like to see it flowering. So yeah, that's it. Very quick update. Hope you found it interesting. You know, so progression on something slightly different. But yeah, any questions, send them over to me. Obviously, goes without saying, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. And yeah, enjoy your gardening, whether that's house plants or indeed outside. So till next time, see you soon. Bye for now.